Welcome to my YouTube channel, Tusharu's Math Academy. Today I'm going to teach you grade 6 English medium first term, third chapter, mathematical operations. When it comes to mathematical operations, we have four major operations, right? That is addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. Those are called mathematical operations, right? I assume you have done addition, these operations in grade 5 very well, right? Today we are doing on whole numbers. These operations can be applied for fractions, decimals. We'll learn those in future lessons. In this lesson, we are learning only on whole numbers. Right now, look at this example addition. I'll just do one example. 8 plus 9, 7. 17, 7, 1 is remaining. Then 8 plus 6 is 14 plus 1, 5. 15, 1 is remaining. That is 8, 9, then 2. Then you get the addition. Likewise, I have given some examples. Right? Now we'll go to the subtraction operation. The next operation is subtraction. Okay, now look at this example. 8 minus 3 is 6. 9 minus 4 is 5. They take 1 here. Right? You can't subtract 8 from 3. There you take 1 from this person. There you get, that is 13. 13 minus 8 is 5. And the remaining one at 6 is 5. 5 minus 4, 1 is 4. That's how you do the subtraction. Right? Now we'll go to the multiplication of whole numbers. Multiplication of whole numbers, right? You know how to multiply with one-digit number. For multiplication and division, you need the times table. If you don't know the times table, it's very difficult, right? First of all, I'll get one example with one-digit number. One-digit number, how to multiply, you already know, but I'll explain that again. We'll say 3507 multiplied by 5. Very easy. 5 times 7 is 35. 3 is remaining. 5 times 0 is 0. That's why I took 0 to explain. 5 times 0, any number, when you multiply with 0, you get 0 plus 3, 3. 5 times 5, 25. 2 is remaining. 5 times 3, 15 plus 2 is 17. Right? That is very easy. Now we go to two-digit numbers, right? Right? This is I'll explain that again. There's a printing mistake on that. I'll explain that separately. 27, 6, 9. Look at my one. I don't look at that one. Right. Okay. There's a printing mistake on this, right? Now when you have 23, do you know the 23 times table? Even I don't know. Even I don't know how to multiply with 20 because you don't know the 23 times table. In that case, you take 3 first. Times 9 is 27. 2 is remaining. 3 times 6 is 18 plus 2, that is 20. Then you write 0 here. 2. 2 is remaining again. 3 times 7, 21 plus 2, 23. 2 is remaining. 2 times 3, 3 times 2 is 6 plus 2, 8. Now we'll go to the next number. Multiply by 2. See, when I start with 3, I multiplied. I wrote the answer under 3. Right, I'm going to start 2 now. 2 times 9, 18. I'm writing under 2, 18. 1 is remaining. 1 is remaining. 2 times 6 is 12 plus 1, 13. 1 is remaining. 12 times 7 is 14. 1 is remaining. 15. 1 is remaining. 12 times 2 is 4 plus 1, 5. Then you add these. Right? 7, 8, 6, 8 plus 5, 13. 1 is remaining. 6. That's how you get the long multiplication answer. Right. I assume you can understand this lesson very well. This part is, multiplication part is easy for you. It's clear for you. Right. Now we'll go to the second example. 5 times 6, 33 is remaining. 5 times 8, 40 plus 3, 43. 4, 7, 35 plus 9, 39. 4, 39. Then 1 times 6. See, under 5. Under 1. That is very, very important. I wrote 2 here. That's under 1, 2. Then the place value is very, very important. Then you add, you get the answer. Right. Now we'll go to the division part. Long division. This is called long division. Right. Now, look at the example. For 5, how many? For 8, how many 5s? 1, 5. 3 is remaining. Then take 3, 6 to near 3. 36 for 36, 7. 35. Then 1 is remaining for 13. 5 times 2, 10. 3 is remaining. Then take 9 here. Then 5 times 7, 35. Then subtract. There you get the remainder. This is the answer. There is another special name. You must know this quotient. Sometimes in the exam, they will say write the quotient. That means that is the mathematical term for answer. Right? You must know that word also. Right. Now, there is another special part. This is very interesting. Right? Multiplication and division by 10, 100,000 numbers. There is a special short method. Right? Here you don't do the long multiplication or long division. You multiply this number by 10, you put extra 0 here. Right? You multiply by 100, extra 2 zeros. You multiply this number by 1000, extra 3 zeros. Here, extra 4 zeros. You add zeros. Here, division, when you divide by 10, you cut 1 0. Zeros are reduced. Right? 838, 3 zeros. Then, when you divide by 100, you cut 2 zeros. 838, 2 zeros. This one, 3 zeros. You cut 3 zeros and you cut 4 zeros. There you get. Right? That's a short method. When you multiply or divide by 10, 100,000 numbers. Right. I assume you can understand this lesson very well. Subscribe my YouTube channel and the bell icon also. You can get the future lessons. Thank you for watching my video.